Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about end correction for reflection at open end. End correction for reflection at open end. That means when the air columns are formed, when the air columns are formed in a open pipe or closed pipe, at the open end side, the antinodes are formed because of the air particles are free to move in maximum, so that's why antinodes are formed at the open end all we know. At closed end, due to the air particles does not move freely, so that's why their node will be formed at the closed end. Due to the reflection of air particles, means air column in air columns, the reflection of air at the open end antinode form, we will know that. But according to this, exactly the antinode will not form at the open end. Exactly the antinode will not form at the open end. Means whenever due to the reflection, the antinode will not form at the open end exactly, but the farther away from some of the distance. That error occurred. So to correct that error, the end correction is called. The correction of that error is called a end correction. According to Lord Rayleigh has given the theoretical value for the end correction, that is a 0.62 Rayleigh. That is the theoretical value. 0.62 Rayleigh, that is the theoretical value. According to that value, whenever the R means the internal radius of the tube, whatever the tube we are taking that, this is the tube. The internal radius of the tube. The internal radius of the tube will be the R capital. If we wherever we multiply 0.62 into internal radius of the tube, then we can get the value exactly point of antinode. First of all, the antinode according to the Rayleigh does not form at the end of the operand, but the farther away from the operand. So the distance error is occurred. The length of a column will be some of the error is there. So to correct that error, Rayleigh has given the theoretical value, that is 0.62 Rayleigh. That 0.62 Rayleigh means R means here the radius means internal radius of the pipe. So according to this is the end correction. Next, we are going to discuss about resonance. What is meant by the resonance? First of all, what is meant by the resonance? The resonance means here when the frequency of external applied periodic force, on your body is equal to its natural frequency. The body rapidly begins to vibrate with an increasing amplitude is called resonance. That means whenever one body is vibrated by the external periodic force, due to the vibrations, if the opposite body having the same natural frequency, it is having the natural body, the other body's natural frequency, the frequency of externally applied periodic force frequency which is equal to the another body's natural frequency, then that another body is also start vibrating. That is called as resonance. That phenomenon is called as resonance. Once again, when a frequency of external applied periodic force on your body which is equals to its natural frequency of the body with increasing amplitude, then the body rapidly begins with an increasing amplitude is called resonance. For example, if we take the four pendulums with a fixed support of x and y, fixed resistance support x and y, some of the four pendulums are taken which is A is very small, short than the others, and B and D are having the same length which is identical, both are B and D are identical, and C is long. Here four pendulums are taken, the A is small small in length, and B and D are same length greater than the A, and C is more greater than the all of the others. Then If we set into oscillations, the B body set into vibrations, then all the pendulums will vibrate. But here is the pendulum D will start oscillating with the same frequency and they increase the amplitude with the equal to the B because the both are having the same length and same natural frequency. Whenever B vibrates, B set into oscillations, then with increasing amplitude, D also oscillates with increasing amplitude. So it is said to be that this is called as a resonance. So B and oscillate same frequency and amplitude than the A and C. At the starting, whenever B or D set into oscillations, all the pendulums will oscillate. But here the B and D will oscillate with the same frequency and amplitude. This is the one of the example for the resonance. Another one is there. Here the two equally same natural frequency, equal frequency of two tuning forks are fixed to the hollow wooden box. This is the hollow wooden box fixed into the tuning forks having the same frequency, same natural frequency fit into the hollow wooden box. Then one A tuning fork vibrated with some frequency. Then due to that, whenever the hollow, the vibrations will meet the B with same frequency. Also B started vibrations with the A same increasing with the body A. Means whenever we set into the vibrations A tuning fork, then automatically the vibrations are moved to the B through the tuning fork A, and that B tuning fork is also vibrates with the same frequency and amplitude due to the resonance. And one more thing is, whenever band of soldiers are doing march past, then when they step out from the march past at the bridge. Why? Because if they do the march past in the bridge, if the natural frequency of the bridge which is equal to the marching, then that bridge will start oscillating. Finally, that may collapse. So that's why due to the resonance, that's why soldiers step out from the marching during passing from the bridge. That is due to the resonance. And one more thing is, whenever if we take the strings of violin, sitar or guitar, then whenever we fix the two equally frequencies strings, then vibrate one string, then another string also reaches the same frequency due to the vibrations of the first string due to resonance. As well as like that, we can see more our livelihood examples due to the resonance we can feel. Thank you. Once again, the resonance means when the frequency of external applied periodic force on your body is equal to its natural frequency, the body readily begins to vibrate with an increased amplitude. This phenomenon is called resonance. Because of effect of one body, when the one body is vibrating, due to the effect of the vibrations, when the natural frequency of another body which is equal to the vibrations frequency, then this body and the second body also start vibrating. That phenomenon is called as a resonance. That phenomenon is called as a resonance. Due to that resonance, here is some examples which is how the pendulums we have taken. Whenever the B and D are having the same length, then when the B is set into oscillations, then the pendulum D also oscillates with the same frequency and amplitude. And another one is when we take the two tuning forks of same frequency fixed into the hollow wooden box, then whenever here the tuning fork A is vibrated, then due to the resonance, whenever the vibrations reach into the body B and set it to vibrate, due to the effect of the A, second tuning fork also vibrates with the natural frequency of its how the frequency is having by the A. So both will be vibrates with the same frequency and amplitude due to the resonance. And one more thing is, whenever the band of soldiers marching on the bridge, they step out. Why? Because if they step on the bridge, the frequency of the marching if equals to the natural frequency of the bridge, then the bridge start oscillates and may collapse. So that's why when they are doing marching on the bridge, they will step out from the marching, they will walk normally. They don't do the marching on the bridge. This is, and in livelihood we can see the sitar, guitar, the musical instruments, the type of activities when we setting to vibrate with the equal frequency strings are fitted to the musical instruments. Then whenever one string is vibrated, another string also will vibrate with the equal amplitude. Thank you.